Welcome to the world of renewable energy storage, where excess energy is harnessed and put to good use. Renewable energy storage plays a vital role in reducing carbon emissions and achieving net zero. Sometimes, renewable energy sources generate more power than we need. That's where energy storage comes in. By storing excess energy, we can ensure a balanced and reliable electricity supply. Renewable energy storage helps us reduce our reliance on fossil fuels. By embracing renewable energy storage, we can move closer to a sustainable and cleaner future. Storing excess renewable energy prevents valuable resources from going to waste. Let's make the most of our renewable resources and minimize unnecessary waste. One method of renewable energy storage is pumped hydroelectricity. By pumping water up to an elevated reservoir and releasing it, we can generate hydroelectric power when needed. Electrochemical batteries are another key player in renewable energy storage. From lithium-ion batteries to flow batteries, they help store and provide energy when required. Thermal and phase transition storage technologies offer innovative ways to store excess energy as heat. By harnessing heat, we can tap into a valuable resource for renewable energy storage. Mechanical energy storage systems provide efficient and reliable solutions. From compressed air energy storage to gravity storage, they ensure energy is readily available when we need it. Pumped heat electrical storage utilizes heat pumps to transfer energy from a cold store to a hot store. This stored energy can then be converted into electricity whenever necessary. Hydrogen electrolysis offers a promising method of storing excess renewable energy. By producing hydrogen gas, we can store and utilize renewable energy in a versatile way. Renewable energy storage is the key to a sustainable future with net zero carbon emissions. Let's embrace these technologies and work towards a cleaner and greener world.